Do you know? This chapter is the little bully. Okay. Do you know of any child who teases others or pushes them around? What would you call such a child? Read this story and see how Hari, a little boy, troubles other children. वो देखना है, ठीक है? देखते हैं. Once upon a time, not so very long ago, there was a small boy called Hari. Although he was not very big, he was strong. वो छोटा था लेकिन strong था. Okay, and he loved to teach all the boys and girls who went to school with him. एक जो लोग उसके साथ जा रहे थे स्कूल, उनको वो ठट्टा मजाक करता था, ठीक है? What he loved to do most was to pinch. वो क्या करता था? ऐसे pinch कर देता था. हाँ, एक क्या बोल, बाहर जाके बाहर क्या करते हो? अच्छा, ए सुनो. He loved to do what to most was to pinch. He could make a big bruise appear in half a second. Okay, bruise एक मतलब blow. Okay, injury by blow to body. उसको अगर तुम आप मारोगे किसको, वो थोड़ा स्वेलिंग हो जाएगा, ठीक है? He could make a big bruise appear in a half a second. Okay. Another trick he played was pricking people with a pin. एक वो क्या करेगा? पेन पकड़ के क्या करेगा? चुभा. उसको क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में? चुभा देना. अच्छा, सुनो. एक so you can guess how all the children hated him. They tried pinching him back, but that was no good because he could always pinch harder. एक वो स्ट्रांग था तो वो अच्छा से पिंच करता था, ठीक है? They didn't like it telling of their teacher because that was okay, because that was telling tales. सुनो, they did not like it. They didn't like it telling their teacher. अरे वो टीचर को कंप्लेन नहीं करते थे because that was a telling tales. Because वो करने से क्या होगा, और ज्यादा टेल्स मतलब जो क्या बोलते हैं, वो कहानी हो जाएगा ये, ठीक है? It so happened that the class went for a picnic to the seaside for a whole day. All the children were most excited. सब लोगों को खुशी था. On that day the sun shone bright and all the children were wild with the excitement. उनको इतना खुशी था कि वो खेल रहे थे इधर उधर, wild. They crowded into the train and they sat down. ट्रेन में बैठ गए, but nobody wanted to sit next to Hari because he always pinched. हरी के साथ कोई नहीं बैठा. When they arrived at the seashore, out jumped all the children. seashore आ गया तो वो सब jump वो निकले with a shout of joy. Down to the sands they raced. पूरा जो बीच है उसके तरफ वो दौड़े, hand in hand, हाथ पकड़ के दौड़े. But nobody took Hari's hand. Nobody went near him. ऐसा हुआ. Hari अकेला रह गया. Hari was angry. He went to this sandy corner near a rocky pool रॉकी पूल, ओके, थोड़ा पानी था, रॉकी था मतलब पत्थर था, पथरीला। सो एंड sat down by himself, अकेला बैठ गया। He took out his lunch and looked at it. It was a good lunch. There were 2 hard-boiled eggs, okay, 6 jam sandwiches, 3 pieces of bread and butter, a ginger, a cake and a bar of chocolate. इतना खा लिया टिफिन में। Hey, he would eat it all by himself. देखो ये सब खाएगा। He wouldn't offer anybody anything to anyone. किसको नहीं देगा। Just as he was beginning on the eggs, you know, जैसे वो खाने आरंभ किया, he heard a hoarse voice near him. Good morning. I am so pleased to meet a boy like you. एक hoarse voice सुना। Okay. Good morning. I am so pleased to meet you, a boy like you. वो लोग हरी turned round and stared in fright. वो डर के देखा। Okay. Whatever do you think he saw? Hari saw a monster crab. Okay, crab था वो। Okay, walking sideways out of the pool. Pool से आ रहा था। His eyes were on the ends of short stalks and he looked most queer. Hari saw a monster crab across the sideways out of the pool. वो pool से बाहर आया। His eyes were on the ends of the short stalks. Okay, stalk मतलब मेन स्टेम जो डाल होता है। Short stalks and he looked most queer. Okay, उसको वो strangely देखा। He held out his front claw to Hari. Okay, कौन देखा? ये जो crab, वो held out करके वो बढ़ाया, हाथ बढ़ाया, ठीक है। उसका claw to the Hari. Hari put out his hand to shake the crab's claw. और हरी भी हाथ बढ़ाया। But to his surprise and anger, the crab opened his pincers and nipped his hand so hard that the little boy yelled. Okay, वो क्या क्या निप कर दिया, मतलब पिंच कर दिया। ओके, और ये येल किया मतलब चिल्लाया। सुनो, लिटिल बॉय येल्ड, here is my good cousin, said the crab pleasantly. Okay, and to Hari's horror, he saw a large sandy lobster rolling heavily out of the pool. Before the little boy could stop him, the lobster took his hand in his great pincer-like claws and pinched it so hard that Hari yelled in pain. Okay, वो भी आके वो जो दूसरा ये लॉबस्टर था वो भी पिंच कर दिया। Then he stared at the pool in surprise, for out came sandy-colored shrimps and prawns. सैंडी कलर होते हैं वो, जो बाली को क्या बोलते हैं? नहीं, और हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? बालू। ओके, रेत है। हाँ, एक तो रेत कलर का वो था, वो आगे भी एक they pricked Hari till he was soon back and blue with their pinching. all सब लोग आए और उसको काटने लगे, ठीक है। Don't you like it? said all the creatures in surprise. उनको बताया। उसको बताया क्या तुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता? Why we are told you? We were told you would love to see us because you were a champion pincher and pricker yourself. तुम तो अच्छा पिंच करते हो, हम लोग किए। सुनो एक पैराग्राफ फिर जाएंगे। एक कम ज्वाइन इन द फन, ठीक है? इधर आओ, तुम लोग इधर आओ, जाओ प्लीज, उधर जाओ ना। हाँ ठीक है, देखेंगे तो उसको एक मॉनिटर कौन है? देखो नेक्स्ट टाइम मुझे याद करा देंगे, ठीक है? ठीक है, सुनो। He leapt to his feet, crying loudly. His launch rolled into the pool, and when the crabs and lobsters saw it, they ran to it and began to feast eagerly. उनके लिए वो feast हो गया। Hori saw that they found silence. बैठ जाओ। Hori saw that they had forgotten him for a time, and he turned and ran for his life. वो भाग के चला गया। Tears streaming down his cheeks. उसके tears भी निकल आया। They only did to me what I जाऊंगा 1 मिनट। ओके 1 मिनट, एक पैराग्राफ है। They only did to me what I keep doing to the other children, he thought. But how it hurt and how I hated those crabs and lobsters. I suppose the other children hate me too. Well, I jolly well shall not pinch or prick anymore. So वो उसका दोस्त मान गया।